Welcome to WordPress Ultimate Security Channel. In this video, we will secure the WordPress login by enabling the Google Authenticator app. To get started, make sure you have installed Ultimate Security. Before we dive in, here are a few benefits of enabling 2FA with Google Authenticator app for your site. Even if someone steals your password, they cannot log in without the unique code from your Google Authenticator app. It adds a critical layer of defense that automated bots cannot bypass easily. From your WordPress dashboard, hover over the Ultimate Security menu and select Settings. In the drop-down, go to Login and Authentication and click on Two-Factor Authentication. On the 2FA overview page, look for the Authenticator Apps tab on the left sidebar and click it. Toggle the switch to enable Authenticator applications. Under Enable for roles, select the user roles you want to require 2FA for, such as Administrator and Editor. Next, below there are two options for the 2FA. Keep them the same as they are. But you must encrypt database keys. It gives you an extra security protection. Once configured, click Save Changes at the top or bottom of the screen. Now, let's link your specific account. Go to the Users menu and click on Profile. Scroll down to the Ultimate Security section at the bottom of your profile page, where you will see Ultimate Security Settings section. In the Selected Method drop-down, choose Authenticator Application. A QR code and a private key will appear on the screen. Open the Google Authenticator app on your smartphone and scan this QR code, or you can insert this private key to your Google Auth app. If you ever need to start over, you can click Reset Private Key to generate a new one. After the process is done, scroll down and click Save Settings. Finally, click the Update Profile button at the very bottom of the page to ensure all security changes are live. Now, start by navigating to your WordPress login page as usual. Enter your username or email address and your password. Click the Login button to proceed. Instead of going straight to the dashboard, you are now met with a secondary verification screen. You will see a prompt that says, "Enter the verification code from your Authenticator app." Open the Google Authenticator app on your smartphone. Locate the 6-digit code currently displayed for your website. Type this verification code into the field. Once the code is entered, click the Verify button. Ultimate Security will instantly validate the code and grant you access. You are now securely logged into your WordPress dashboard, protected by an extra layer of professional-grade security. And that's it. Your WordPress site is now significantly more secure. For more tips on website, optimization, and security, don't forget to check out our other tutorials. Download Ultimate Security plugin, link in description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more security videos.